Hello, hello. Today we are going to talk about how we can raise our vibrations because the world that we live in is totally made up of energy and vibrations. So let's get started.
Be more generous. This does not have to be financial. We can all be generous with others in respect of our times, attitudes, and behaviors. First of all, it feels incredible. And second, when we are more generous, the universe recognizes our vibrations and becomes more generous with us.
Talking about raising your vibrations, I don't think there is anything more important than gratitude. I cannot stress this enough, but be thankful and actually feel it for everything that you have or everything that is around you because this shit is real. I mean, this is something that you asked for sometime or the other, and right now you do have it. And even if you didn't ask for it, you have it because you are blessed, and you should be really, really thankful and grateful about it. So, this is something that instantly raises your vibrations, and the thing or the person that you're being grateful or thankful about, it sends the energy instantly, and they raise their vibrations as well.
Drink lots of water. I cannot stress on how easy this method is. Drinking water has its own benefits. It helps in maintaining mental clarity, it helps in flushing out toxins, it helps in increasing energy. On a side note, infusing the water with positive thoughts or just expressing gratitude for the water you're about to drink goes a long way in increasing your vibrations.
Next, very, very important point that I want to talk about is be surrounded with good stuff. By good stuff, I mean positive people, people that elevate you, and things that make you happy, or when you're consuming content. I think content is the most important part of this. Do not consume anything that is negative for your energy or for your vibrations. It has to be very positive content, especially when you're going to sleep or especially when you're waking up. That is the most important part of the day. So at that point of time, you really need to consume good content, high vibrational content when you're just waking up.
Get your blood pumping. Vibrations require movement. So the more you move, the better your vibrations move. Get active, do some yoga or dance your heart out, whatever suits you. The happier you feel, you will draw more happy experiences to yourself because now you're operating at a different frequency.
This point is very common and all of us know it. This is meditation. Meditation is the crux of the peace in your mind, your body, and your soul. This is something that I personally can bet for, and I have really, really tried it. It has worked for me immensely. Not only for me, but I think there are thousands and millions of people who are still doing it on a daily basis.
One method that can be applied to increase your vibrations is to become conscious of your thoughts. An average human mind has around 70,000 thoughts in a day, and every single one of them has an impact on your life. Thoughts affect perceptions and hence your perception of reality. It is important to give weightage and prioritize the thoughts that deserve to be prioritized.
The best way and the easiest one to do is do what you love. There are plenty of people, there are plenty of quotes, there are plenty of pages telling you the same thing over and over again for a reason, right? So this one reason where you can do what you love consciously and not just for the sake of it, or just for passing time or as a hobby, but doing it for keeping your mind sane, and most importantly keeping yourself engaged and distracted from that particular thought that brings you negative vibes or lowers your energy, right? So this is one thing that is very important and we all should do it. That's it from our side for this video. Let us know if these work for you and what actually works for you on a daily basis. Thank you so much. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.